Green is the color of nature, the color of the plant kingdoms. It is the most restful color for the human eye. Having some green plants would help to soothe the vision. If you're having eye strain because of long hours looking at the computer, television, or any digital devices, spend some time looking at any green plant. And this would help to relieve the stress too. Drink a relaxing tea to soothe the eyes. I'm making a TCM tea with 3 ingredients: chrysanthemum flowers and red dates. They are very good for calming. And wolfberry, which famously known good for the eyes. After long hours of computer work or whenever you feel your eyes are tired, take a break and do this simple self-eye massage. Rub both of your palms until you feel some heat on your palms, and then cover your eyes with your palms without pressing the eyeballs. Repeat it for a few times. It also helps to brighten the vision. Use your 2 fingers and tapping around the orbit of the eye bone. This helps to relieve the tension around the eyes. If you found any trigger point or a point which you feel more tender, stop and tap more at that point. And using a Dien tool to stimulate the facial map that correspond to eyes health. This tool comes with Yang and Yin effects. Yang creates warm sensation and Yin creates cooling sensation. Roll it around both of your eyes. Right side of the cheek that correspond to the liver. And both sides of the mouth tips. Besides relieve the eye strains, all those also very good to improve vision. Remember to do it regularly. Happy self-care and stay healthy.